Beauty Freelancing Career Kickstart Campaign Part 3. The pros and cons of being a beauty freelancer. Being a beauty freelancer offers a unique and flexible career path for makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts. However, like any other profession, it comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of being a beauty freelancer to help you make an informed decision. Our pros. Number 1, flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of being a beauty freelancer is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to choose your own working hours, clients, and projects, allowing you to maintain a better work-life balance. Number 2, creativity. As a beauty freelancer, you have the opportunity to express your creativity and artistic skills. You can experiment with different makeup looks, styles, and techniques, keeping your work exciting and fulfilling. And number 3, it's independence. Being your own boss allows you to take charge of your career and make decisions that align with your goals and vision. You have the freedom to choose the types of projects you want to work on and set your own rates. And the cons? Inconsistent income. One of the challenges of being a beauty freelancer is fluctuating income, depending on the season, market, and demand, and client availability. So your income may vary from month to month, so it's essential to plan and budget accordingly. Number 2, self-promotion. As a freelancer, you are responsible for finding and attracting clients. So this requires self-promotion through marketing, networking, and maintaining an online presence. It can be time-consuming and challenging, especially in the beginning. And number 3, administrative tasks. Along with providing your services, you also need to handle administrative tasks such as invoicing, bookkeeping, and managing contracts. So this behind-the-scenes work can take away from your creative time and require additional effort. In conclusion, being a beauty freelancer offers flexibility, creativity, and independence. However, it also comes with the challenges of inconsistent income, self-promotion, and administrative responsibilities. Understanding both the pros and cons will help you navigate this career path with confidence and make informed decisions for your success.